Hey guys, okay, so this is video number 2. It's the general overview of Field Office. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, it's pretty blank. There aren't any entries. I haven't done any settings, nothing. I wanted to start fresh and show you guys what it's going to look like when you upload it to the FTP, and just start from zero. Okay. So, like I said, this is the dashboard. This is what is presented when you actually go to the page, and it is locked by PageSafe or the Total CMS one as well. That's included. So yeah, so it is password protected. Let's see. I'll go ahead and just show you the menu. So this is the menu. You have dashboard. You have direct links to all the different CRM types. Here are your settings. You have decor, site settings, and a logout button. And then down here you have page settings. If you're familiar with my other project files, you'll know what these are. But these are basically areas for you to set page-specific settings, and also some templates. And I'll go over that in future videos. But yeah, so that's that. And then down here, other settings, is you'll see where you can do templates and credits. And I enjoy the credits aspect. This is basically a way for you to credit creators, photographers, or people who do videos in your websites. We tend to use websites like Unsplash, and we'll take their images and put them in our projects and not really remember to give them credit. Well, this is a way to do that. You can add the different images or whatever, and the credit information to the website. It's pretty nice. So this is I call it the desk drawer. Field Office. So yeah, this is the menu, and I'll show you the form. So there's one form to control all of these. Okay. I was going to do an individual form for each, but I found that each one of these use very similar, fields, and I figured, why not just make it one form, and it's make it easier on everybody to make the relationships show up. So I'll just show you the form. So if I click on the plus button, here is the form. So you have a title. So this is the title, and it is also the permalink. Okay. And then I have CRM type. You can do contact, project, proposal, contract, invoice, and to do. Due date / acquired. So acquired is the way I kind of see, if you have a contact and you want to know, when did they come on board? When did you acquire that contact? As opposed to a contract, let's say you have a contract and you want the due date to be, I don't know, about a week from now. So we'll do the 6th. So that's when the contract would be due. Okay. And it has the same type of function when it comes to a draft as other Total CMS blog forms. You can set it as draft and come back to it later. Active and inactive. By default, everything is active. If it's inactive, it just means that maybe it's a project and it's project's over with, and you just want to keep it around, but it's inactive. There are different situations, different scenarios where that could be helpful. Contact name / primary contact. This is where you'd put in the first and last name of your contact, the contact email, the contact phone, and company. And the cool thing with Total CMS is if I were to add a contact, let's say this is a contact, and I added it the first time, obviously I have to type it all in, but later on, let's say that I need to do a proposal. And instead of typing in the contact name again, you can just double click in the field, and because you've already typed that contact in, it'll show up. So that's pretty handy. Another reason why I like the whole one blog form to control all the different types. Down here is a place for you to drag and drop files. And then over here, you can do a portrait of the person. So if it's, a picture of your client or the logo of their company, you can drag it in here. The total, this is where you can set a total for however much, the project is going to cost. Tags/services. So like if it's if this is a project for a new website for somebody, you're a web designer, you can put in here, they want to have an online store, they want to have, image galleries, whatever it is you want, you can tag it here. Details of the project. So this is kind of where the majority bulk information for your project proposal, whatever is going to go into. Okay, this is the main thing. You can see here this little button, pick template. I'll go over that in a later video, but that you can set up templates for yourself, so you're not having to reinvent the wheel each time you want to do something. And then additional information. I had an extra field available, so I figured, well, maybe there's not everything goes in the details, and you want to have a little bit of extra info about your client or your project or something, so you can tack it on into here. And then down here, archive. You can archive and unarchive whatever it is, the contact, project, whatever. And then the save button. So, and you got this handy little back to top widget, and that should be on most of the pages. So yeah, so this is the an overview, a general overview of what Field Office looks like. If I go to all CRM, you can see this would be like a 3,000 mile view of everything that you have going on. So it would display, instead of just numbers like on the dashboard, it would display all your contacts, projects, contracts, invoices, proposals, and to-dos right here. Everything that's active, that is. Okay. So anyway, I hope this is intriguing you guys. I will see you in the next video, and yeah, bye.